Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Check-in.me and signing in. Use the account you will check in from. Once signed in, permit location and notifications so check-ins update in real time. Tap New Check-in to start. Pick the check-in type, set a clear duration, and add recipients or groups. You do this now because the app needs those permissions to share status. Making selections here prevents delays later. Make sure to confirm recipients before continuing. Once done with the basics, configure the detailed options so the system behaves as you expect. Set check frequency, reminder intervals, and any auto-check rules for repeating sessions. These determine how often you must confirm. Add a custom message and emergency contacts, and define a location radius for accuracy. Enable escalation. Choose how many missed check-ins triggers alerts to others. Doing this now avoids confusion and ensures recipients know when and how to respond. You finish by reviewing the summary screen and tapping Start Check-in. Confirm notifications appear. During the session, monitor live status and respond to reminders. When finished, tap Complete or Cancel to stop the timer. If recipients don't receive updates, first check app permissions for location and notifications, then restart the app. If that fails, re-add contacts or reinstall. This troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly, so make it your first fix before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.